sorry.
I'm sorry too. So we're going to try this again. This is what happens when you leave your almost 3-year-old with your lipstick. Cute, huh? No more. Okay, you're all done. You've had enough of my lipstick. This is what Splash Liquid Lipstick in the color, and I can't see it because, no. Oh man, you got it everywhere. Splash Liquid Lipstick in the shade. Stop moving, Millie. Stellar looks like. If you ever have a question as to what that looks like, this is it right here, all over my daughter's face. Good job, Mills. Beautiful.
Had enough.
Yes, and you've had enough. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Here you go. Thanks. You're welcome. Here, have a makeup wipe. Can you wipe off your face for me?
My face.
Maybe your dress too, since you got it on your brand new dress. And your hands. Here you go. Okay, so if you missed my first one, hey Molly, hey Sandra, hey Caitlin. I wanted to just quickly, I basically wanted to get on and say, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I got myself a ring light from, maybe you should go have your daddy help you. I got a ring light, which means it's super bright on my side, and I can't tell if it's super bright on your side. How's the lighting? Is it okay? And I also got all the, hey Debbie, got all my attachments today in the mail. I wanted to do a look of the day and tell you what I used. Can you see? Are you doing good?
It's washing all the lipstick off.
Yeah, you got your lips pretty well. You just don't need to get the rest of your face. Does Mommy put lipstick on her nose? Not usually. Does Mommy put lipstick on her eyebrows? Can you say hi, Papa?
Hi, Papa.
Say, look at my makeup, Papa.
Look at my makeup, Papa.
Okay, go wash it off. Mommy's gonna talk, okay? So our December kudos are special for the month of December are cream shadows. You can get 3 cream shadows for $59. And today I wanted to show you what I used. I actually used 4. The lighting is great and the chocolate face looks even better on Millie. Yeah. I actually used one of our specials for the month, one of our no, you need to finish cleaning off your face and then you can get back on, okay? Our cream shadow in the color Ferocious, and this is one of the, hey Brandy, is that better? Ferocious in cream splurge. Oh my goodness, she's got me all rattled with that lipstick. Splurge cream shadow in the color Ferocious, which is a metallic kind of a blue, and I'll pull some out with my finger and put on the back of my hand so you can see it. It's almost, dare I say, a slate color blue-gray, actually. If you can see that, that's Ferocious. That's the darkest color I have on my eyes today. Oh, hey Angel, hey Emmy. I miss your face. I also used Dreamy, which is my new favorite color, which is kind of a shimmery, hey Emily, shimmery, almost, people say gray, people say blue, some people say purple or like a lavender, but I don't see it. That's what that color looks like right there. That's the lightest color right here on my eyelid. also used Whimsical, which is also a blue, but it's a shimmer as well. Hey Jessica, long time no see. And I love this color. It's almost turquoisey blue, but you could make it look whatever you want with whatever colors you want. It's really, all these colors are very versatile. And then I use Victorious as my base, which I use almost every day. It's like my favorite go-to. Hey Ryan. So I was explaining earlier that on my eyes I use Victorious all over. Hey Jimmy. Victorious all over my eye, underneath my brow, all the way to my lash line. And then I used my finger and smoothed that all out. And then I used our Moodstruck Precision Pencil in Polar. Now this is not available, however, we do have a blue, so you could use one very similar to this. I actually lined my top lid and then into my crease with the pencil. And I used our crease brush to kind of blend that out a little bit. And then I took our cream shadow brush and used the teal color Whimsical that I showed you right there, and kind of patted that on with the eyeliner and kind of smoothed those in together. Hey Aubrey. And then I used, okay, so we used Victorious all over for our base color, and then we used the Polar pencil, and I used my crease brush, and then we used Whimsical, which is this tealy color right there, if you can see that. Hey Pam. Hey Jessica. And then I took the Dreamy, which is this light shimmery color, and I patted that on with the Whimsical here on my lid, and then I actually used my finger and smoothed that out. Hey Cindy. And then I used some Ferocious, is that slate gray blue color, just right here in the corner, and I kind of blended it over in almost a V shape right here with the crease brush. I didn't even put it on with the cream shadow brush. I actually used my crease brush and put that on. So then I blended that all together, and then I took our and my brain went dead. Cindy, I got all flustered when I saw your name, Papa. I can't even think what I put on. Under my eye, I put our powder. Oh, I miss you too, Cindy. Our powder foundation, which I love. It's in the lightest shade, and I just kind of press that on underneath my brow and put it here underneath. And then I, to finish, I took my Ferocious color, and I used my eyebrow pencil, or not my eyebrow pencil, my eyebrow brush, and used it in the pot, and then drew on my upper lid here and my lower eye lash line, and used that as an eyeliner. And then I finished the whole thing off with my Epic mascara, which I use every day. Every day I wear makeup, I use my Epic mascara. And if I have time, I'll use both that and the 3D mascara that we are best known for. So does anybody have any questions on how I use that together? It's my first time using eyeliner on my lid, and I loved it. I was halfway tempted to put it on my lips and wear lip plumper with it, but I couldn't do it. So I used what Millie showed you earlier on her face, on my lips, with some eyeliner, or not, with some lip liner. I actually used Stellar Splash Liquid lipstick. I actually used, and then I used, where's that? Pouty lip liner, and then to top that off, because I like a little bit of shine, I used Hottie Lip Plumper. And then that is my finished look for today. I took some pictures and I will post those for my final look. If you guys have any suggestions that you'd like me to show you a specific look with specific colors that you like, I am happy to do that. I would love to do that. Suggestion wise, I am all about suggestions. Metallics every day, a night look, anything that you'd like. If you feel like this video is helpful and you'd like to share it, there's a little share button in the bottom, and I'd love to do that too. So anytime that you have questions, please message below. An action word for today would be cream shadow, and I can help you pick out 3 cream shadows for December kudos if you just let me know, and we can get that ordered for you today. Okay, thanks so much. I will try and do another video or live tomorrow, so if you want to just kind of I guess you can, there's a little option for you anytime I'm on. Oh, you love the picture behind me. Thank you. Todd and I took those a couple years ago on our property, and then Todd made the frames and we had them blown up and printed. Thank you. And then this one over here is them together, walking together, holding hands. So sweet. Oh my gosh, you can, there's a little thing you can opt to, anytime I go live, it will notify you, and then you can watch me anytime that I'm live. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will get back on more readily, I think, in the next few days, and share a little bit more. Our Christmas was kind of crazy, and everyone's been sick, so we haven't been able to finish with my side of the family. My mom was here Christmas morning, and then my sister and my son, and they're all not feeling great, so we've kind of stayed away from people, but hopefully the sickness will end soon. So have a great evening. I will see you soon. Bye.